guys, how are you all doing? Is your phone volume not working properly? Is the sound too low or completely gone? No ringtone, no notification, no media sound not working? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you multiple easy methods to fix this issue, and I'm confident one of these will 100% solve your problem. But before we start, make sure to subscribe my channel and turn on notification so you never miss any helpful tech videos. Now let's fix your phone. Check volume setting. Press the volume button on the side of your phone. Then tap on the three dots to open full volume control. You will see different sliders like system, notification, media and ringtone. Make sure all of them are turned up to maximum. Method number 2, turn off do not disturb. Go to settings, tap on notifications, then select do not disturb and make sure it is turned off. Method number 3, use safe mode. If the issue is still not fixed, it might be caused by a third-party app. Go to settings, then open modes and routine, or search for safe mode. Turn on safe mode. In safe mode, only default app will run. If your sounds work fine here, it means some install problem is causing the issues. Method number 4, factory reset. If nothing works, go to settings again and tap on accounts and backup. First click on backup data to save your important files. Then go back, scroll down and tap on reset. Finally select factory data reset. This will completely reset your phone and fix any major software issues. And that's it. By following these steps, you can fix almost any volume problem on your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Zonic Tech for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching.